YouTube, what's up guys? Welcome back. So we're getting some gas. We're gonna go do some flybys with the new TRD exhaust on the 2004 Toyota Celica GTS. So we got a new TRD exhaust, our new use that I just got done polishing. It looks absolutely flawless with the with the Tsunami rear bumper. Amazing. It sounds pretty good too. So today what we're gonna be doing is getting some sound clips. I got my girlfriend with me, so she's gonna be riding with me, and she'll be doing some flybys, which makes it so much easier when she's there, and she can follow the Celica. Again, I have these oversized 18-inch wheels that I cannot stand. I do not have a short shifter. I do not have a cold air intake. I just have a short ram intake, so I'm probably not gonna be able to land lift or do too many quick shiftings. So don't expect me to bang gears like I normally do unless I have my favorite setup. But we're just here for the TRD exhaust. We're filling up the Celica. It needed some gas. $56 to fill up this GTS. This is the second time I filled up my car since I've owned it fully, and I'm just really excited to go grab some full throttle with that TRD exhaust. It just looks absolutely sexy. Look at that. So let's go ahead and jump in the car. We'll go ahead and jump in the car and do some full throttle with a authentic TRD exhaust Celica GTS. Let's go. Of course, we're gonna be doing some revs. So I got my girl up front, so she's gonna go ahead and we're gonna rev. So Gabriella, go ahead and play a little bit with the exhaust. Oh, yeah, it's definitely beefier. Oh, that sounds good. Now just go all the way up. Yeah! Woo! Okay, so she just gave it some revs. What does it sound? Does it sound better?
Beefy.
Beefy, yeah. It doesn't sound a lot more beefier than the MagnaFlow. That's what I was.
It's what's for dinner.
Yeah. Oh my god.
I want to get some beef because it's so beefy.
Yeah. I don't know about that. But yes, it does sound beefier. So what I'm gonna do now is a couple flybys in here, and then of course we'll do some full-on flybys. So let me go ahead and do a couple, just like we did with the EVORA.
Oh yeah!
Go. Do a quick merge here on the highway so you guys can get a nice sound of it. But yeah, that was some flyby. Sounds good. I like it. I'm gonna leave it with the turbo. So let's go ahead and here we go. 3, 2, 1, VVTLI.
So we keep hearing this flapping and we're trying to figure it out. And we're like, what in the world could be flapping in the wind?
I tightened all my bolts. I always tighten all my bolts.
Sure, babe.
The windshield is like falling off. It's the glue that goes around the front windshield. It must have been
Oh, snap.
That is so funny.
So bad.
I'm gonna have to
Oh, look at it.
So, yeah, this is gonna be it for this video. Hilarious of that thing. That is so funny. I've never had that happen. This car's too fast. Things are flying off of it. TRD exhaust, my favorite for this Celica. I've owned a few of them. This is probably, I think my third one. I love it. I own the Apexi exhaust. I just had the MagnaFlow. I have had all kinds of them on this one. I have the original. But I'm glad I got a TRD one. We will run the TRD one with the turbo. But yeah, make sure to like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.